Welcome to my channel. Here you normally get some little craft tutorials from me, but today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I am not the healthiest person. I would definitely class myself as a spoonie, and sometimes I just don't really have much energy to be able to do all the things that I want to do. So today I thought, rather than going through a tutorial of how to kind of make any of the iris folding, I thought I'd go through how I make it easier for myself to be able to do the crafts that I enjoy, even when I'm really struggling energy wise. And one of the ways that I do that is to be prepared for when I might not have kind of as much energy. I try and make sure that I have got everything I need ready to go. And I have my iris folding box here that I thought I'd share with you. I do love a label. Iris folding box. So in here has the things that I make sure that I've got, so that if I want to do some iris folding, I haven't got to use up all of my precious energy trying to gather things from different places. It's all in one place, ready to go. So with iris folding, you need a pattern. So I'm working on a pig pattern at the moment, and an aperture, so something that is cut out. You need a selection of papers, and I have all of my papers are in kind of one box divided by colours, so I just select the colours that I want from that, ready to go for my project. You need some blue tack, and always keep that just stashed in this little bottom corner here. A heavy duty dispenser is really important. I'm just looking at the side of there. Did I say that I'm Lisa? I'm always really rubbish at doing this. If I didn't say that I'm Lisa, my name's Lisa. Welcome. So a heavy duty dispenser, the reason why you want that for iris folding is because you want to be able to do one-handed dispensing. What else have I got in here that's really essential? Oh, a pair of scissors. You want a nice pair of scissors that you haven't probably used for much else, because you want to make sure that they're nice and sharp and give nice clean, crisp lines through your paper. The other bits are probably not essential but sometimes needed. So when I have done apertures, let's move that one out the way a little. When I kind of do the apertures, if for any reason there's kind of a little bit that just doesn't quite isn't quite the right shape, or I want to change, then I've got my little mini mat and craft knife that I can use for that, which is great because if I want to do it in small spaces, I haven't got to get out my big mat. Then the other bits are more for mounting. So we've got some double-sided tape, we've got some glue dot tape, throwing those around, some foam pads as well. Sometimes if I'm designing a pattern, I'll need a ruler, a pencil, and although there's a rubber on the end of it, I do like to have just another rubber as well. So that's everything that's in my stash, and I basically have all of this put together ready to go in this one little tub. And it just means that when I get that feeling like I want to be creative, even if I haven't got much energy at all, I've got everything I need in here, which will hopefully mean that I can do more crafting. So I hope that's kind of helped. Let me know if it's something that you want me to kind of go through, because I've got other different boxes for different crafts that I do. And yes, I'd love to show you different ways of making things a little bit easier, especially if you're somebody like me who struggles with your energy. Thanks ever so much for watching.